Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 tourist places to visit in South Dakota state that you may not know about. Number 1 on our list is the Badlands National Park, a stunning landscape of unique rock formations and rugged beauty. Next up, we have Mount Rushmore, a symbol of American history and an iconic landmark that you simply cannot miss. Moving on, we have the Custer State Park, known for its scenic drives, wildlife spotting, and the famous buffalo herds. Don't forget to visit the Crazy Horse Memorial, a majestic sculpture honoring the Native American warrior, Chief Crazy Horse. Another hidden gem is the Needles Highway, a breathtaking road that winds through granite peaks and offers stunning panoramic views. If you're a history buff, make sure to stop by Deadwood, a historic Wild West town filled with old-fashioned saloons and fascinating museums. For a unique experience, consider visiting the Minuteman Missile National Historic Site, where you can explore deactivated nuclear missile silos. Don't miss out on the stunning landscapes of the Missouri National Recreational River, where you can go canoeing, kayaking, and fishing. Lastly, make sure to check out the stunning Cathedral Spires, a cluster of granite formations that are a hiker's paradise. So there you have it, the top 5 tourist places to visit in South Dakota state that you may not have known about. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Happy exploring!